An anti-lock braking system, more commonly known as an ABS, is a vehicle safety system that prevents your car's wheels from locking up, avoiding uncontrollable skidding. An ABS works by sending the motion of each wheel. If you start to brake and the wheel sensors detect a skid condition, your ABS actuators will spring into action, pulsing your brakes hundreds of times per second to prevent the car from skidding. Because of this, drivers benefit from better vehicle control, greater traction to the road, and a decrease in stopping distances. However, like all systems, your vehicle's ABS may fail. As long as your brake pedal doesn't fade or sink, it's unlikely that your vehicle will be unsafe to drive. But you need to be aware that if you find yourself in a panic stop situation, you won't have any actuators pumping the brakes on your behalf. At best, a skid can be incredibly frightening. At worst, it can be fatal. If you believe there to be a fault with your ABS, contact CH Motors today. Our friendly and experienced engineers cover all aspects of ABS diagnostics and repairs, whatever the make and model of your vehicle. Don't put yourself and your passengers in danger. If you're concerned about your ABS, call CH Motors in Basildon on 01268 729 777.